Is your money just sitting there? Maybe in a checking account, barely earning anything? Or perhaps it's in a savings account, but you're not really sure what it's doing for you. What if I told you there's a simple, almost effortless way to not only start investing but also turn that process into a powerful financial education? That's exactly what we're diving into today, as we explore how to use Acorns, not just as another investment app, but as your personal, miniature financial university. We're going to break down how this seemingly small app can unlock big financial lessons, from the power of compounding to understanding market fluctuations, all while helping you build a healthier financial future. For many of us, the world of investing feels intimidating. It's filled with jargon like ETFs, mutual funds, diversification, and asset allocation. It sounds complicated, exclusive, and frankly, a bit scary. So, we do nothing. We let our money languish, missing out on the incredible potential of growth. Acorns shatters that barrier. It simplifies the investment process to such an extent that even a complete beginner can start putting their money to work with just a few taps. But here's the crucial point: Acorns isn't just about putting money into an account and forgetting about it. It's designed in a way that, if you pay attention, it can teach you fundamental principles of personal finance and investing that will serve you for a lifetime. Think of it as a hands-on laboratory for your financial education. Let's start with the most famous feature of Acorns, roundups. This is where the magic begins for many people. Every time you make a purchase with a linked card, Acorns rounds up the spare change to the nearest dollar and invests that difference. Bought a coffee for $3.50? Acorns invests 50 cents. This seemingly insignificant act is a masterclass in the power of small, consistent contributions. It teaches you that you don't need a massive lump sum to start investing. You can build wealth, penny by penny, transaction by transaction. This is the essence of dollar-cost averaging in action, a concept we'll delve deeper into. You're essentially automating your savings and investing without even feeling it. This removes the psychological barrier of finding extra money to invest. It's already there, in your everyday spending. This subtle habit formation is the first, crucial step in your financial education journey with Acorns. You learn that investing can be seamless and integrated into your daily life, not a separate, daunting task. Next, let's talk about portfolio diversification. When you set up your Acorns account, you choose a portfolio based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive. What Acorns does in the background is incredibly insightful. It doesn't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, it invests your money across a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These ETFs represent different asset classes: large company stocks, small company stocks, international stocks, corporate bonds, and government bonds. This is a practical demonstration of diversification, a cornerstone of intelligent investing. You're not just investing in one company, you're investing in a broad spectrum of companies and even types of investments. This dramatically reduces your risk compared to picking individual stocks. Acorns teaches you that spreading your investments across different categories helps mitigate risk and can lead to more stable, long-term growth. As your money grows within these diversified portfolios, you begin to see how different asset classes perform under various market conditions. This hands-on experience demystifies the concept of diversification, showing you its practical benefits without needing to become an expert in financial theory. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.